welcome to New American Garden. I'm Carl Bishop, and today I'm talking about a tool that has saved me a lot of time and a lot of effort. And for that, it's a cool tool. If you have fruit trees or nut trees in your yard, this tool is going to save you a lot of time and a few trips to the chiropractor. So I have 3 black walnut trees. 3. And if you even have one of these trees, you know what a mess they can make. For years, I would bend down and pick up all these black walnuts one at a time and put them into a bucket, and it would take me forever and it would be a big strain on my back. Until I discovered this tool in the A.M. Leonard catalog. It's called the PickUp Wizard, and it's super easy to put together. It comes in 3 pieces. It's the pole, it's the bracket, and the basket, and all you do is screw the bracket into the pole, and then you attach the basket to these parts of the bracket right there. So all you do is roll it over the ground, and the black walnuts will jump inside this basket, take a fun little tumble as more of their buddies join them, and then when it's full, you place it over the wicket that comes with the PickUp Wizard, and after a simple twist, all of the nuts will fall into the bucket because the wicket spreads these tines open like that. That's all you have to do, and because the PickUp Wizard saved me time and a lot of effort, it's definitely a cool tool. So for more on how to make and maintain your New American Garden, watch my other videos. And please subscribe to my page if you like what you see. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carl Bishop, and this is New American Garden.